The Smog Inspector license is an easy way into the automotive industry, where you can always find stable and well-paid jobs. To become a smog inspector, you don't need any automotive experience or even a high school diploma. All you need is a driver's license. The program takes 12 weeks to complete and costs only $1,600. There are 3 steps to get your smog inspector license. 1. Enroll in a class. 2. Pass the state exam. And 3. Get your certification. It's that easy. So, why become a smog inspector? 1. Smog inspectors are always in demand. 8 out of 10 technicians find a job. 2. It's a fairly easy and well-paid job. Average pay is about $750 per week or $3,000 per month. And lastly, it's easy to open up your own shop. If you do have some experience in automotive repair, you can get your inspector and repair license in the same 12 weeks. Don't wait. Start your career in the automotive industry today. Visit our website at www.smogtechinstitute.com or call 714-441-1620.